In this video, we will discuss about perfectly elastic demand and perfectly inelastic demand. Okay, first of all, we will discuss perfectly inelastic demand. Perfectly inelastic demand, it means the elasticity is zero. What is the meaning of elasticity? Is zero or zero elastic demand or perfectly inelastic demand. It means we can say whatever the price will be there for a particular commodity, if there is no change in quantity demanded, delta Q is zero. In that case, the elasticity of demand will be zero. How is it possible? It is possible if the quantity demanded is constant. If the quantity demanded remains constant at any price may be vary from 0 to infinite to any number price can change, but if the quantity demanded remains constant, in that case the demand curve will be parallel to y-axis. In this condition, the elasticity of demand will be 0. If the demand, no change in demand will be there, then change in quantity will be 0, and after putting this term 0 multiply by any number 0 divide by any number equal to 0. So hence proved that if no change in quantity demanded with respect to any change in the price, it is called perfectly inelastic demand, and in this condition the demand curve is parallel to y-axis. Remember this thing. Our third term is perfectly elastic demand, or elasticity of demand is equal to infinity. This is possible, but in a certain condition. What is the condition? Let me discuss. Let me tell you. If there is no change in price of the commodity, it means if delta P is equal to 0, but quantity may changes from 0 to any number, from 0 to infinite, the quantity demanded may change. Okay? It means the price remains constant. Only in that condition, if the price is constant, the change in price will be 0. After putting the values into the formula, and the formula to calculate elasticity of demand is delta Q divided by delta P multiplied by P1 upon Q1. And I told you that if change in price is 0, we will put 0 here. 0 divide any number divide by 0 will remains undetermined, or it has remained infinite. So here the elasticity is infinity and is known as perfectly elastic demand. And the demand curve in this condition, it is parallel to x-axis. The demand curve will be parallel to the x-axis. Okay? If the demand curve is parallel to x-axis, we can say that there is the price which we are considering here remains constant. But this here the demand may be 0, the demand will remain on Q level, the demand will may remain on Q1, it may remain on Q2, or any level the demand can be, but the price will remain same. It means at same price demand may falls to 0 or demand may rise to infinite. In that condition, the elasticity for this demand curve will be infinity. This is called perfectly elastic demand or perfectly elastic demand curve.